Okay, 105HCPTM high capacity precision timer module. Out of the box, you're going to get the module itself, you're going to get the appropriate cord set that goes with it, and you're going to get the foot switch for actuation. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and attach the power cord to the HCPTM. The HCPTM high capacity is for our units that go above the 1200 watts that the PTM will work with. This demonstration will be with our 105C1 power unit. You got a micro jack connection for the foot switch. There is a data sheet that will come with the unit that's going to give a lot of different control settings. Okay, the one that we're going to use is the L setting, which is just a momentary on, runs the time cycle and shuts itself off. I'm going to turn that off at this point. I'm going to bring this 105C1 power unit plug into the appropriate receptacle here. We should have everything in connection and ready. I've got the C1 power unit on. You won't see any power to that until the timer actuates. We can go ahead and do a quick dry cycle. We'll turn that on. We have this set for a 4-second cycle of time. Hit the foot switch. You notice that the power unit is on for that 4-second duration and then shuts off.